Hey guys, what's up? Hey, we finally got parts for the 67. So this video is part 3 for the 67 lifter issue. We're missing the set of lifters right there. They're the Howards. But anyway, we had a couple bent push rods. In a quick review, a couple bent push rods where we now actually found another. I had another set of heads redone. They just got back. They look beautiful. Tony at Chet's in Ogden, Utah. They do a fantastic job. They got us in and out, let's say fairly quick. We didn't put too much pressure on them, but anyway, we got the heads all redone. He swapped out all the valves and everything, and we actually had a bent valve, crazy as that sounds, on that number 8 cylinder. So we got that taken care of. Got new valve seats, new valve guides, new valve seals, and we even got new rockers. An upgraded version of the rockers. I'll show you guys real quick. Pop that out of there. So here's the new rocker. He wanted to stay as stock as possible, but I'm going to show you a difference here. Right here, you see there's a little bit of a lip. So as that sits on there, it can't slide back and forth, can't fall off. Kind of a little bit more of a updated. So I'm going to let's show you an old one. So here's an old one, and looky there, it doesn't have that little guide on it. See that it'll zoom in there. So in turn, when it sits there, it can do this, it can move around. So we're going to upgrade that. Got a whole nother set of rockers. So we're going to work on that today. Well, actually, hopefully I'll have this car running today. Going to get the heads on, new lifter, put the lifter in, get the new rockers on, and hopefully fire this up here in 3 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours at the most. Cross my fingers, everything goes good. All right, here's another quick tip for you guys. What I do before I put the head gaskets on, I want that to seal as best as I can. So I'll take just some chalk carb choke cleaner, put it on a little shop towel, like a little paper shop towel. I'll spray a little bit on there, and then I just walk over and I just make sure any of the coolant passages, anything like that, they're not leaking oil or leaking water, coolant on it. And I just wipe it all down real good, get all the oil, everything off. I want it to be as clean as possible because I want those gaskets to seal. So I get all the way in the back, wipe it all down, and then I'm ready for my gasket. As that evaporates real quick, we're good to go. So got that side on already. We'll throw this side on, and then next step is the lifter and then heads. So we got the rockers on, got the carb on. So we had a stripped out manifold bolt. So I have the same exact motor sitting in my garage at home. We ran to go get one. So basically all we have left is distributor, where the towel is right there. Got to put that in and align it. Got to put the alternator on. Dipstick tube, which is right here. the coil, gotta put that on, and the valve covers. And then upper radiator hose and fill it up with coolant. I just ran into one little bolt snag, but like I said, I have that motor. I have the motor already. We're just gonna snag it off that, and then we'll keep going. And we gotta hit up some, or hook up some heater hoses as well. Forgot about that. So everything else is going together pretty smooth. Give her holy crap.
That's off.
Yeah, we gotta be 180 off now.
We may have a hole in the piston after that one.
Holy freak. She runs and she sounds good. Little exhaust leak I can hear. We'll tighten those up. All right, guys, got her done. Waiting for Gary to come pick her up, get her out of the shop, and clean up in there. Got a little bit of coolant and stuff on the floor. But anyway, she's finished, ready to go back to its owner, give her a couple miles and see how she goes. So actually, he's pulling up right there. Cool. Anyway, we're gonna sign off there, and hopefully we won't see this car for a little while. And we'll let you know how the car show goes this 4th of July. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.